This is the north elevator at the brand new newly built Kopchick Hall at Indiana University of Pennsylvania in Indiana, Pennsylvania. This car doubles as the service elevator. Has also to talk how this one's 2-speeder hospital sized. This is a large elevator.
Going down.
It's only 4,000 pounds. Basement. This one doesn't go to 5, ironically. Here, go down. I guess 5 doesn't exist in this part of the building.
Basement.
Your basement. The voice is a little more like not as raspy on this one.
Going up.
The 4. Here we go up.
Fourth floor.
4.
Going
Back
down.
down to 1. It's the same basic stainless steel cab, except this one goes deeper. Hospital-sized cab. Again, it's only 200 feet a minute, but I guess it doesn't go that many floors.
First floor.
You're back at 1. That area is under construction. I think that goes to Weyandt Hall, which are currently demolishing. At a Simco modern EPCO over 90s airports, and that's gonna be it.